how to use DeepSeek for daily productivity. To use DeepSeek for daily productivity, you can do this. You can do this by cap. You can do this for a content creator creations, writing, coding, and workflow automations as well. So basically, to use DeepSeek to quickly digest information, you could upload a document, PDF, Word file, text, or spreadsheet to paste paste it on a text and ask for a key takeaway, saving time on reading. So basically, what you need to do is install DeepSeek first of all on your device, register, and after which you will be able to see this field. Now here, what you want to do is, let's say if you have to go through a lot of article, or you have to read an article, but you don't want to waste your time reading all those articles, right? So what you could do is simply take a screenshot or maybe download the PDF version of it, and after which you want to click on this plus button, and here comes the photo, image, or document, right? Since it is document, select that, and then you want to go ahead and upload that PDF, right? And next, once you've uploaded the PDF, you just need to go ahead and type in the prompt what information that you're looking for. Let's say you just want to know about what information is in the following PDF or in the provided PDF, right? So you could also instruct the thing as you could provide me in bullet points or maybe in paragraph or in this form of language, whatever that you are convenient or looking for. You type in the prompt and it's going to generate the answer in no time. So basically, this way you'll be able to use DeepSeek for daily productivity. And likewise, if you don't want to upload any sort of photo or image, then you could also type in the text. So you could go ahead and do this, or you could just go ahead and type in the message, and this way you'll be able to use DeepSeek for daily productivity. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.